other three is regarding this one. Hope you can see properly, yeah? This is most important one. This other three is regarding this one. So you always remember when you use this 0.8 millimeter one, this ball you can see it, right? I already teach you, put down this wire. This one come out from here to the here can go properly. If this is not go properly, if like this ball is up or down, then just use there to control. To make it always come to one line, then the one can go straight. Oh. Okay, now we set up other.
改革中的时候，就给我工钱出了维权，然后就只能挑嘎边的线了，嘎边线的军站挑了，只要嘎边对齐了以后，去嘎边军站碰了，你还去打射线了维权了，不去挑嘎边了，所以就告诉会有点在。
Win this part, and this two, because now this is 0.8 millimeters, so we only set up two enough. We not set up 4. We just set up 2. But for the big one, you must be set up 4. The same way, always the same way. So now we use the AX and turn this back, right? Turn this back. Always remember set up this first. Set up this first. This is other three is always follow this. When this is the best. This is the best. So when this is already done, then can set up other three, up 2 or 3 or 4. We use the AX again and turn this back. Turn this to this side. See, now we are make the type now. So the one is only can go from here to there and then go straight to the main joint. We already make the screws come tight and straight. It's controlled by there, remember? By here. Then we turn AX back.
首先，从那个线一定要对准这个槽，对准弧线那个槽。
Remember, the one must be compared. with this under one. Aya. Must be straight. Cái chỗ nọ phải là đây草啊，chỗ nọ phải là
Chỗ nào phải là
đây草啊，chỗ đi nọ.
cái cá线，当时cá线一下，cái里可以拿着插到嘛，拿个线插一下，就可以，然后就可以压到上楼，歪走路线送去好嘛，然后个
So the y axis is for sending the wine. So when the wine already in the middle of this spore, then can easily send the
一定
wine
要对
out.
到插的，我对到插。
You must be make sure the wine already in the spore, already in this 0.8 millimeter spore cover. Then go straight to the handle. Then see, the wine is about to come out properly. Before I also already teach you how to make the wine straight, right? Remember? This part. These two part is just go there, make the wine go straight. This is control up and down. This control left and right. 哎，你是我左边该是控制上火，右边等下控制左右是吧？啊？行，咖喱啊，唔讲好话，我家控制上火，点解？
我想该控制上火，该控制左右，当闹嘛，一个
Oh,
一个
sorry,
吃的。
sorry. So this part, remember, this part is control. This part is control right and left, and this control up and down. That's my mistake before I say wrong. Anyway, when you try many times, you will know properly. Know better than me.
这个线该自己选。
啊？
我这个线该自己选的，那好。
是啊，首先需要搞个这种条线啊。佢最需要靠架停啊，啊无语啦。
我想把这样，该那是送去一下，该是左右嘛，可以控制架向冷子来高低，跟先出去直条架向来冷子架向冷子架同来。
Okay, so now we just need use this tool, this part, okay? Look, this part, 1, 2, this part. Because this part is control the wine up and down. So we lose this one. We first when we lose this ball and lose this one to control those ball up and down. And then use the AX and make the wine box come back. Cái này cái xe是冇放咗在嗰啲。
这个洗搞好些，所以这个冷子要洗搞好了，放有点想法。
Okay, so when you see the wine is come out like that, so you need to go there to make the spore go up that way. When the wine is come up like that, then you need to go there to make the spore come like that. So then it will come straight. Always is up that way, okay? Now it comes out like that. So when we go to same like that.